In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TradingView account. If you've decided it's time to close your TradingView account, I'll walk you through the exact path to do it quickly and confidently. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting an account is typically permanent. If you have watch lists, custom layouts, indicators, or any saved ideas you might want later, consider exporting or noting them down first. And if you're on a paid plan, make sure you've handled any subscriptions in advance so there aren't surprises afterward. Start by opening your browser and going to the TradingView website. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to remove. Once you're on the home page, we'll first navigate into the charting interface, since that's where the profile menu we need is easy to access. At the top navigation, hover over Products and click Supercharts. This brings you into the full chart workspace. From the chart screen, look toward the top left area of the interface for your profile menu. Depending on your setup, you might see an avatar, your initials, or a profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Settings and Billing. This will take you out of the chart and into your account management area where you can control profile details, billing, and privacy. Inside Settings and Billing, find and click Account Settings. This section contains options tied directly to your account status. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see the option to delete account. Click it when you're sure you're ready to proceed. TradingView may show a confirmation prompt, outline what will be removed, or ask you to verify your intent. Carefully read any warning so you understand the impact, then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. In some cases, the platform may guide you through a brief confirmation flow to ensure the request is intentional. Once confirmed, your account deletion process will be initiated. That's it, done. If you don't immediately see changes, give it a moment and watch for any follow-up prompts or confirmation messages within the site or your inbox. Keep in mind that after deletion, you won't be able to access your charts, alerts, or saved items associated with that account. To recap, you went to TradingView, opened Supercharts under Products, accessed your profile menu in the top left, selected Settings and Billing, entered Account Settings, scrolled to the bottom, and clicked Delete Account. Follow the on-screen confirmations, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and take care.